So I got thinking about it as I was sitting in the car, and I'm like, I don't have cup holders or any place to put a cell phone. So I can buy a cell phone adapter to go in a cup holder, but if you don't have cup holders, yeah. Then I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just put one underneath the dash hanging down and go that way. But I was like, well, you know, I usually have a small water bottle with me or a small cup of coffee, so why not put some in? So I bought, these are 2 3/4 inch cup holders. And what I did was, because obviously this is already covered in leather, I just marked out where they needed to be to miss the cross member. So it has to sit forward here and then over there. So I marked that out, measured everything, did a cardboard template, and then transferred that to the back of this. And then what I did to cut it out, I just got a small drill bit and drilled out around it and then just filed it, because I was trying not to damage the leather on the top side. So, and then I'd seen a couple guys online put a small ashtray in just forward of the shifter, and I thought that was a nifty idea. So I found one. It's out of a GM car from late 60s up through the 70s. So this little guy here, it's actually a rear armrest ashtray. Not that I'm going to use it as an ashtray, but a little storage box. So this is the ash tray portion, which is removable. And then since it's not sealed up, I just bent up a little aluminum box, which is 3 inches by 2.5 inches roughly. And I couldn't rivet it because obviously the leather's already on there. So what I did was I just drilled holes in it and then just clamped it down with the urethane structural adhesive. So that ain't going anywhere. And then I think what I'll do is I'll put some insulation on the back of these. So I'm sure there's going to be some heat underneath there. Yeah. That's what that looks like with the cup holders. And there's the inside of the little box. And this guy just goes in, walks in like that. So throw some insulation on the back and then we'll install it. Looks like on the back side with all the insulation on it. That'll help the heat transfer up through the cup holders, or maybe it wouldn't have been a problem. It's too much, but whatever, it's done. And that's what it looks like installed. Let's put your drinks in a little ashtray to stick your earbuds in when you're not using them.